So we're just leaving Walmart now. We have had the most fun shop ever in there. Look at this hat. And Harry's got a brand new towel, Minecraft towel, a new swimming t-shirt. Harry thinks that we smell because we've got these wristbands. So these wristbands help to get rid of mosquitoes. I don't even know if it's needed really here, but just got them anyway. And they're all natural.
I can't get out there.
So we're going now to Typhoon Lagoon. It's taken a while for us to get out of the Walmart car park because I bought a memory card for my phone and then we couldn't open the thing.
Oh, Disney, Disney, Disney.
Look what it says.
Okay, yeah, I'm not sure we can make that dream come true, but we could definitely put you on like a trampoline or something so you can do some good bouncing. It kind of feels like you're just bouncing on the moon.
So when you say there's 4 parks in Disney, is it all in one area? So you go through the Walt Disney entrance and then now we're in Disney?
Yeah, and then we can just follow signs for different places.
Oh my god, so it's enormous.
Is that how you say it? Typhoon?
Typhoon, PH. Oh my god, look how there's a sheriff. Orange County Sheriff. Base, you wanted the tower. Right.
Yeah, hold it up to Mickey. And then you're going to place your finger. You're all set.
What is that? Is that the wave pool? Look up there on the hill.
Really?
Is it hot, Michael?
Might be too hot.
Come on.
It is well hot.
Might be too hot.
Might be too hot. Look at the lazy river going all the way round.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? So there's a lazy river going all the way round.
Look at that lazy.
But then that number 1, look, that's like a big wave pool.
Can we go on the lazy river?
Yeah.
Oh look, like rubber ringy slides up here. Look, another one up there. Right, we're gonna go get a locker. So we're putting all of our stuff in the locker now. So we'll have to see you later.
Stop. Hey everyone. I have a swimming shirt on.
Harry's got a nice new shirt.
Swimming shirt.
1717.
So that it goes faster, isn't it? We'll see you later.
3 hours later.
So we're leaving Typhoon Lagoon. They said that a storm is coming.
And we didn't want to get wet.
We'd been on everything apart from one, and we're really, really hungry. So we're gonna go get some food.
I haven't eaten in days.
What did you like about it in Typhoon Lagoon?
There's like a massive wave. You can fly.
There is an epic wave machine. It is so good. Every 90 seconds, a new massive wave comes, and we were getting Harry and literally throwing him in the air, and he was going flying across the top of the wave. That was so fun. The best wave machine that I've ever seen, and lots of rides where you get in dinghies. And me and Harry went in one together, and it had these accelerator things that pushed you, it boosted you, and then went down and up. And it had like 4 of them, and I was screaming. I had that feeling, you know, when you're on a roller coaster and it goes, I had that feeling in my stomach, and I was like, ah! But yeah, Harry was the brave one compared to me, because I was literally screaming as if I was on a roller coaster. It's a shame that we couldn't do any filming in there, but we were just very wet, having lots of fun, and I'm just filming on my phone.
I wish I had a GoPro.
Yeah, we need a GoPro. So what about you, Michael? What was your favourite?
Waves. Or big dinghy.
Oh yeah, we went on a dinghy thing where there was all 3 of us, and you put your legs in the middle, and
It was really uncomfortable.
it was actually uncomfortable. And you go up a slant thing, and you can't see what's over. And when you're in the queue, you can't see anything. and then it just sort of goes whoosh, and you all go together in the big ring and it spins you round and
Sometimes.
yeah, sometimes. So Daddy was going backwards, wasn't he?
So we're gonna go eat.
Can you
now.
hear that? Can you hear the thunder?
Can you hear the thunder on camera, guys? Listen carefully. Probably keep my face out the way. Gonna...
My t-shirt.
Oh, I'm gonna have that problem here.
Look, my dad's shirt is very.
Did you wet yourself, Michael? Yeah. Oh, he likes this flex thing, this weird car. Right, we're gonna get in there before it chucks it down with rain. What's in there?
Rice, steak,
How many stars would you give it out of 5?
5.
Yeah, I'll give mine a 4.5 out of 5 because I like it just as much as the one that I get when I'm working in London, and that's from Burrito Bowls Salad. Harry's going to try and do the bottle kick challenge with that lid. When he's a kickboxing expert.
About rank 3.
Harry's new shoes.
And I have the same size foot as you. You can have it.
Thanks, mate. We're going to go now to Cocoa Beach because there's a rocket launch and apparently you can see it from there.
$15 per person.
Whoa, what, for parking?
Yeah.
How much would you have to pay if you're watching it from the official place?
Like 20.
Per person or
Yeah.
including Harry?
Yeah. I think so yeah, it's no different.
So it's $5 different.
Yeah. Sorry, mate. Oh, sorry.
You just curbed it.
Yeah, it wasn't a crunchy curb though.
We found this space around the corner and it's £2.50. If you come here on holiday, you're not guaranteed that you're going to get a rocket launch, and you can go and see it from the space station. They have official places where you can go and pay to go and see it. However, we've been told that this Cocoa Beach is a good place. Oh yeah, thank you very much. There we are. Look at this boy. Michael's woken Harry up. I want to go and have a look. Ooh, rip currents, eh? Have a look at what's over this bridge. I can see the sea. Oh, look at that. There's loads of people on the pier already, and that must be because they're waiting to watch the rocket launch. Quite excited about this, to be honest. I think they might be launched from over there. If you look on the pier, there's loads of people looking over there.
Where's Exminster?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, a minute. Is it home somewhere?
Don't know.
There's rocks from there. Can we take it back?
Yeah.
I feel.
Phil, have you named it? See how many people are on the pier? So the rocket launch has been put back a little bit. Michael's gone to the car to get our snacks from earlier. Water, thank you very much, sir. And we've set up, I'm going to try and record some of it on here. We've set ourselves up on the beach. It's Elon Musk, isn't it? Initially they give you like a window of time, which was an hour and a half long, and then they've updated online. Mike keeps checking on his phone. They've updated that window and it's a little bit later now. Fingers crossed we will get to see it. If not, there is a second opportunity that we've got on this trip. We've got 2 minutes.
Just cover my ears now.
I am so excited.
How many people are behind us now?
Whoa.
Oh my!
Video and just started recording.
So we're watching the live stream. Oh my god. Yeah, get in there closer.
T-minus a minute.
1 minute to go. Just smoking that, innit? Special effects.
I'm pretty sure.
It does seem like just special effects for dramatic effect.
Daddy, I can see smoke over there.
Whereabouts?
So where is it? I don't know if it's over there.
I could.
I don't know if it's
Where there
over
was
there.
a million of
I'm holding one of my ears. Harry's holding both his ears. Harry's got very good hearing, so lots of things hurt his ears. Ah, oh my god, go away. Go away.
Get out of here.
1, 0. Ignition. Lift off.
Oh look, it's there.
A fire.
Oh, they got to set the blaster. Yeah, it's Barney. Is that not what you can hear out over the sea?
Here, it's coming, look.
Yeah, that's the noise of it.
Look, it's already in space. Like, look, see that very white dot?
I've lost it.
Like, it's up there, looks like a cloud, also is in space.
Okay, yeah. Oh, that's gone funny. It's gone spots. Whoa. Listen to that noise though.
And the thing is that the rocket's all the way up there.
Whoa, that noise. Whoa.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah. So that's how fast it is. And how far away it is. That sound's just coming to us now. It's mad.
Looking at the cloud like, look, the
I
cloud.
looked away for a minute whilst I was trying to sort that out. And by the time I looked back up, I couldn't work out where it had gone.
Whoa.
You
Woohoo!
can wiggle from it though, can't you?
You can hear everyone clapping over here.
Look, there's smoke from the actual thing.
Yeah.
Look at all the smoke. Is that all the smoke that's come out there? And it's all going along there? It's quite impressive. It's still making that noise, isn't it?
Yeah. Can I get some food?
That's like a once in a lifetime.
Where are you going, Chief?
To the ocean. Seashells? What are seashells?
Take one home for mummy.
Yeah, look.
Woohoo!
So this is the best stuff.
Ah. Well, as you can see, we're home and I decided to have some dinner of Lucky Stars in the bath. Why not? Michael decided to open the window as well because he wanted to watch me eat cereal in the bath. So tomorrow we're off to the camp spot and I'll see you then.